In this video, I'm going to go over a few of the answers to get you off to a good start. Okay, so first of all, number one, two angles are complementary if the sum of their measures is, remember that complementary, I always think about it as complementary corner, so it's 90 degrees. The two angles are supplementary if the sum of their measures is, and then remember that supplementary is straight, so that's 180 degrees. So the complement of a 30-degree angle, that would mean what plus 30 equals 90 degrees. So what plus 30 degrees equals 90 degrees, or we could do 90 degrees minus 30 degrees equals 60 degrees would be our answer there. Then the next question, the supplement of a 65-degree angle. We're not adding up to 90 now, we're adding up to 180. So something plus 65 degrees equals 180 degrees, or 180 degrees minus 65 degrees equals 115 degrees. Alright, so keeping that in mind, let's take a look at this first problem down here. We need to calculate that angle. So, if I'm looking at this, I notice that 128 and this angle 5 are along this straight line. Supplementary straight means they need to add up to 180. So I can do 180 minus 128 to figure out angle number 5, in which case that would be 52 degrees would be angle number 5. Okay, because it's a supplementary angle, and so the two angles add up to 180. Now, I'm actually going to jump around. I want to jump down to this problem right here. We are tasked with finding angle number 19. Okay, so notice down here I have a right angle, which also means that this is a right angle. So that means all of that equals 90 degrees, and I have two other degrees, and then all three will add up to 90 degrees. So first I'm going to do a little side work here. So 30 degrees plus 24 degrees equals 54 degrees. So that's what I have with these two. Now I have to add angle number 19 to get to 90. So 54 plus what equals 90, or 90 degrees minus 54 degrees equals 36 degrees for angle number 19. And that is how you find complementary and supplementary angles.